won't be posting any more today because it's Christmas. So we're just gonna go quick check up on them chickens and see what they're up to. Hi Nugget. I love this guy. Or girl, I guess. What are you doing? Mate. You're hilarious sometimes. Oh, you're up. Well, let's quickly check over here first about if there's any... Oh, there's an egg! There's an egg! There's an egg! My gosh. Guys, can you see that? It's an egg. That's glorious, this one. This is the first time we've filmed and got an egg on camera. Wow, that's amazing. Thanks, chickens. Bye-bye.